What I wish I knew before running out of kefir. These substitutes are game changers for any kitchen. First up, plain yogurt. It's creamy, tangy, and a fantastic replacement for kefir in smoothies or dressings. Just thin it out with a splash of water or milk to match kefir's consistency. Next, we have buttermilk, which has that same slightly sour taste. It's perfect for baking or any recipe that calls for kefir's unique flavor. For a dairy-free twist, try coconut or almond milk. Simply mix in a tablespoon of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to give it that tangy kefir taste. This is ideal for vegan smoothies and sauces. Soy or cashew milk is another great non-dairy choice. Add a bit of probiotic powder if you're looking for that extra kefir boost for your gut health, from smoothies to salad dressings. These kefir substitutes will keep your recipes tasting delicious and nutritious. Discover more tips and substitutes at cookscrafter.com. Keep cooking, keep creating.